Hey guys, today I wanted to show you what happens to your money if you invest just $100 into the S&P 500 index monthly. Take a look at this. So after year 1, you will end up with end balance of $1,364 and your total interest will be $64. Not that much. Moving on. After 3 years, your end balance will be $4,284 and your interest will be $584. After investing for 5 years, your end balance will be $7,800 and your interest will be $1,717. After investing $100 into the S&P index monthly for 5 years. And after 20 years, your end balance will be $72,000 and total interest will be $48,398. And take a look at this, that the black curve, which represents the interest, will actually cross your blue line, which is your principal. It means that investing for that amount of time, for 13 to 14 years, will make your interest grow as exponential and even become more than your principal investment. So moving on, and after 30 years of investment, you will end up with $208,000 and your total interest will be $171,000. And that $171,000 will represent 83% out of your total end balance. And this is what happens to your money if you invest $100 into the S&P 500 index for 30 years. Thanks for watching. I hope it was useful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. It helps me a ton. See you in the next video.